In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automatic message on Facebook Marketplace. This feature is especially useful for sellers who want to enhance their communication and provide quick responses to potential buyers. Let's dive in and make sure that you're reaching every potential customer with ease. First, you'll want to head over to Facebook. Once you're logged in, locate the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You might need to scroll a bit, but look for the section labeled See More and give it a click. This action will expand the menu and give you access to a variety of options that Facebook offers. From this expanded list, find and click on Marketplace. This is where all your listings and transactions take place and where you will set up your automatic messaging system. Once you're in the Marketplace, navigate to the settings. You can find the settings icon on the top right of the Marketplace homepage. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you manage various aspects of your Marketplace presence. In this area, you have the opportunity to set a custom buyer message. This is a vital step if you want to send pre-written responses to anyone interested in your items. Now, let's move on to crafting your message. Click on Set a Custom Buyer Message to begin. Think carefully about what information is most crucial to include. For instance, you might want to welcome buyers, thank them for their interest, and let them know when they can expect a personal response from you. This message serves as your first impression, so keep it friendly, informative, and concise. Once you've crafted the perfect message, it's time to make any necessary changes to the text that appear on the screen. Ensure that your message reflects your style and is tailored to the type of items you're selling. Consistency is key here, both in tone and in content, to ensure your potential buyers feel you're approachable and ready to assist them. After you finalize the content, the next step is simple but important. Hit the Save button. You'll find this option directly below the message input field. Saving ensures that your auto message is active and ready to be sent whenever someone inquires about your listings. With this final step, you've set up a system that helps maintain communication without requiring you to be immediately available 24/7. By following these steps, you've set yourself up to provide excellent customer service on Facebook Marketplace, allowing you to engage with buyers efficiently and effectively. Remember, clear and timely communication can significantly enhance your relationships with potential buyers and boost your credibility as a seller. I hope this guide helps streamline your selling experience, saving you time and keeping your potential customers well informed. Good luck and happy selling.